Process is quite easy and simple. Just pick up your AirPods, and at the back you can see there is a button. So simply first open up your AirPods and press that button for around 4 to 5 seconds until the white light. Once you have done so, either this pop-up would appear, and if this pop-up appears, simply go and tap on connect and your AirPods will be connected to your iPhone. In case if this pop-up doesn't appear, simply go to your settings on iPhone, and here you need to go to Bluetooth, and here in Bluetooth you need to search for the AirPods that you wanted to connect. So here you can see a bunch of things, and here you have AirPods or the name of the AirPod that I have. So if I tap on here, it would take a bit of a time and will be connected. So this is how you connect. And if you want to set this up, simply go and tap on this eye icon at the right side of this one, and here you can select the noise cancellation or transparency. You can go for the tip fit test, or you can go for the automatic air detection and other things. So it's all up to you to set up this thing as you need. So hope by doing so you will be able to set up your AirPods Pro on your iPhone. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.